Hello everybody, welcome back. Just a quick wee technical video today on the MG6 Handbrakes. This is my own car. A few issues with the handbrake over the last couple of months, and narrowed it down to the left side actually not doing anything at all, and turned out to be a seized cable. So just received a new one today, so I thought I'll just do a wee video to show what the difference is between it and the 75 and how you go about fitting it. So you see everything's stripped down here. If you're familiar with the 75 setup, it's extremely similar, nearly identical. All the setup is exactly the same. The difference is the cable itself and the mechanism. So as you can see here, the cable routes around the back, up below the subframe, below the tank, screws in there, and then goes in below this heat shield, where you can see this is where the compensator is. The compensator is actually below the car, but you still do adjustment from inside the car. So they've changed the design slightly from the 75s. As you see, this is the setup here. So that bolts into the bottom of the car. You've got a clamp here for the cables, and then the clamp here for the cables. Simple as that, really. And to get it, you need to remove the plastic shield, and then there's 3 or 4 bolts hold this heat shield in here, which you just need to drop to get out them cables. Just a wee tip: when you're getting the cable out of the back of the plate, you need to disconnect this wee boyo here, which is like a guide for the plate. So 10mm, and then you just loosen off the shock bolt slightly, and you can move this out of the way to get this in, because it's quite a tight angle it goes into the plate at. Other than that, you put it all back together, exactly the same as 75. You've got your cable goes on the adjuster and adjust up, and then you adjust it up inside. So hopefully that can help anybody who needs to do one. Both sides should be done exactly the same. I think the cables are different, so you need to order a cable per side, but not too sure on that. But the cable itself was 70 quid. It was quite hard to get, but that's how you go about fitting it. So hopefully that helps anybody. See you later.